Hello students, today we will do chapter 3 metal and non-metal from class 10. First of all, we define metals and non-metals. Metals are those elements which lose electrons and form positive ions like Fe, Cu and Al. Number 2, non-metal. Non-metal are the elements which gain electrons and form negative ion. Example of oxygen, S and Cl. Physical properties of metal. Physical properties of metal are number 1, lustrous. They have shiny in nature. Example gold and silver. Number 2, malleable. Metals are malleable. They can be hammered and changed into sheet. For example, aluminum foil. Number 3, ductile. Metals can be drawn into a wire. For example, copper wires. Number 4, good conductor. Metal are good conductor of heat and electricity. They are sonorous. Number 5, sonorous. School bell. We know that school bell makes sound when we beat the bell. So it is sonorous in nature. Physical properties of non-metal. Number 1, non-lustrous. Non-metal are non-lustrous unlike metal. Example, only one non-metal which is shiny is iodine. Number 2, brittle. Non-metal are brittle, means they break easily. Number 3, non-ductile or malleable. Non-metal are non-ductile and malleable. We cannot convert into a sheet like metals. Number 4, poor conductor. Metal are poor conductor of electricity. Only one non-metal which conduct electricity is graphite. Important exceptions are metal which is soft, sodium and potassium. Non-metal who are conductor, graphite. Low melting metal, gallium. Non-metal which is shiny, iodine. Non-metal which is conductor, graphite. Uses of metal are used in construction, for example iron. It is used in wires, for example copper. It is used to make metal utensils like aluminum. Non-metal are those which can be used for respiration, for example oxygen. Number 2, nitrogen, which is used as fertilizer. Chlorine, which is used for water purification. Now, reaction of metal with water. Metal, when they react with water, they form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas is released. Number 2, they are highly reactive metal. Sodium and potassium when react with cold water. Number 3, less reactive metal who react with hot water or steam. Example, magnesium. 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2. Gas is released. Number 2, reaction of metal with acid. Metal, when they react with dilute acid, they form salt and hydrogen gas is released. For example, Mn plus 2HCl gives MnCl2 plus H2. Here H2 gas is released. Copper, silver and gold do not react with dilute acids. Number 3, reaction of metal with solution of other metals salt. More reactive metal react with less reactive salt solution. It gives displacement reaction. Example, Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Here iron displaces copper from copper sulfate. Reactivity series determine the reactivity of the metal in decreasing order. K, Na, Ca, Mg, Al, Zn, Fe, Pb, H, Cu, Ag and Au. Here they are most reactive and they are least reactive. Ionic bonds. Formation of ionic bonds. Metal atom In metal atom, when there is loss of electron, positive ion is formed. They are known as cation. And when non-metal atom have gain of electron, they form anions or negative ion. There is electrostatic force of attraction between positive and negative charge, so they form ionic bonds. Properties of ionic compound. Ionic compound have high melting point and boiling point. Ionic compound conduct electricity in molten or aqueous state. Ionic compounds are hard and brittle. They are poor conductor in solid state. Electrical conductivity. Conductors in molten solution conduct. Non-conductor in solid state do not conduct. Corrosion and prevention. Corrosion is the process of slow decay of metal due to reaction with moisture, air, and other chemical, like rusting of iron. Rust. FeO3.H2O, hydrated iron oxide, is the rust. Effect. There is a loss of metal, weakening of structure. Example of corrosion: rusting of iron, rusty nail, tarnishing of silver, green coating on copper, and tarnished spoon. How can we prevent corrosion? By painting or coating, galvanization, coating with zinc, alloying. Brass is made by mixing of copper and zinc. Oiling or greasing. So we can avoid corrosion by these methods. Corrosion is the slow destruction of metal due to effect of moisture, air, and chemical. Example: rusting of iron, FeO3.H2O. Rusty iron nail, tarnished silver spoon. Corrosion reduces the strength of life of metal. Prevention of corrosion, as we studied earlier: painting or applying grease oil. Number 2, galvanization. Number 3, electroplating. Number 4, alloying. Example: stainless steel, FeCr Cr plus Ne. There is the example of alloying. Some important questions related to board paper. Number 1, explain the method of electrolytic refining of copper with label diagram. Electrolytic refining is the process of purifying metal using electrolysis. Here at anode there is impure copper, and at cathode there is pure copper. In electrolytic refining, acidic copper sulfate solution is used. Chemical: Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2, and 3Fe plus 4H2 gives FeO3 plus 4H2. Why aluminum is used for making cooking utensils and overhead power cables? Aluminum is used because it is good conductor of heat and electricity, it is malleable and ductile, it is resistant to corrosion. Fourth question, what is alloy? Give 2 examples. Alloy is homogeneous mixture of 2 or more metal or metal and non-metal. Examples: brass plus zinc, steel is iron plus carbon. Here are the combined properties of metal and non-metal. Physical properties of metal: metals are malleable, they can be beaten into sheet. Number 2, they are ductile, can be drawn into wire. Number 3, good conductor of heat and electricity. They are lustrous, shiny in nature. They have high melting and boiling point. Physical properties of non-metal: they are brittle, they are non-ductile, they are poor conductor of heat and electricity, they are non-lustrous, they have low melting and boiling point. Reactivity series of metal: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, mercury, silver, and gold. Here, reactivity series decrease from here to here. Important definitions: minerals, naturally occurring elements or compound in the earth, are minerals. Ores, metal from which metal can be extracted profitably, are ores. Metallurgy is the process of extracting metal from their ores. Properties of ionic compound: ionic compounds are hard and brittle. They have high melting and boiling point. They are soluble in water. They conduct electricity in molten or aqueous state. Various reaction of metals: with oxygen they form metal oxide. With water they form metal hydroxide. With acid they form salt and hydrogen. Now